Very good morning, everybody. Welcome to Pathfinders trainings. And two major events today. One is there are election results that are going to happen. The five states: Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Goa, and Manipur. And yesterday, the crude fell down sharply, so the world markets are up. US was up almost 3.5%, and the Singapore Nifty is up about 300 points now here. So we will discuss about that, but let's start by a meditation. Today we will do a very simple 7-minute meditation. I'll not give instruction, it is very simple. We will observe our breath. Just observing the breath is a very powerful thing. We normally don't do it. So for 7 minutes, you will just observe your breath with closed eyes. Observe your breath coming in and going out. So sit straight, spine straight, and close your eyes. And for 7 minutes, just be with your breath. There won't be any instructions, just be with your breath. Be with your breath. If any thoughts come, acknowledge them and bring the awareness back on your breath. 3 more minutes. On my count of 5, slowly open your eyes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Open your eyes slowly. Yes, guys, how are you feeling? Relaxed? It's a very powerful meditation. Gautam Buddha used to do it. It is his meditation. Just be with your breath, and you will remain in the present moment. That is very important. And present moment is where the fun is there, where the real relaxation comes. And today, let's look first at crude oil. Last night, crude oil and gold went down and the world market shot up. So all those who are in short position, including me, will be in trouble when the market opens. All those who are in long positions would be very happy. And we also have the poll results started coming of the 5 states, so that will also keep the market very volatile today. बहुत volatile market आज होने वाला है. So let's first look at crude oil. Crude oil futures. This was crude oil yesterday that fell down a lot. Remember this rally that crude oil has given? It has almost came down and filled the gap. So no price is forever. Hey? Keep that in mind. No price is forever. And this was more of a profit booking that came, and it came because UAE gave a comment that it will talk to the Middle East to increase the oil production. So this was the news which took it down, and if it continues to goes down, there is a gap filling here. This gap it filled. This one is filled. This one is filled. This is remaining, and this is remaining here. And I remember one of my traders was on a short trade yesterday. I don't remember the name, and he was a little worried in the morning, remember in the class, and he would have minted money by evening. So this was about, I think, 70,000 rupees of profit on a single lot in a single way. Rajesh Goel, yes, Rajesh, what happened to your trade? I hope you made all the money. You were the one who were short in the market. Okay, so, and let's keep an eye on the election results. Election results are more or less. Rajesh, I squared off in the morning, but I made good money in the bullion index. Very good, Rajesh. See here on this one here now. Let's keep an eye on the election results. And this is the election results that are coming. And the initial trends, they are not as per the exit polls because BJP is 14 and Samajwadi Party is 10. So that is still the projections are saying that BJP will get about 300 seats out of 400. Uttarakhand 4-2, but these are early things. Punjab Congress 5, AAP 4, and Manipur Congress 3, BJP 1, Goa, but these are very early trends. We will get to see later. Now let's look at gold. Gold also went down. See here, gold was another metal that dropped down from 55,000 to 52,750. So big move in gold and silver, and index is inversely proportional to them. So if we look at Nifty, the war is still there. The war has not gone away, but the bottom fishing, the euphoria has taken the market up, and now as this market has gone down, it has left a lot of gaps, and this is the channel in which this market is moving. This is the current channel of this market. And I think here in this channel, if I see, the market might gap up here. If it gaps up 300 points, it will gap up somewhere around this level. So today, with the gap up, it will open on the upper part of the channel. So look how the trend today, again, same as yesterday, very difficult to say. Is this the bottom people are seeing, or is it just a retracement? So difficult to say for the moment. And on a day, this is a 60-minute chart. On a daily chart, this is the daily chart. Daily chart में हमारा जो एंगल बन रहा है, जो चैनल बन रहा है, वो ये है. This is the channel that we are moving into. It's a steep channel. This is the channel on which the market is moving with the VAR still on. So the retracement can take it up, but the trend is very much down. When can you say that now the uptrend has started? Once the market moves about 16,900. Market जब 16,900 के ऊपर जाएगा, then you can say yes. Now I can say that this is. So today, if it opens 300 points up from here, which currently the Singapore Nifty is, this is about 300 here. So it should be opening up around this level. This is the level it should be opening up. So The long-term trend is still downward. It has broken this, but there is buying coming into the market here. Buying coming into the market. So, and with the election results today, I think the market will remain very volatile. आज आप volatile market का हिस्सा होने वाले हो और today is also the Nifty Bank Nifty expiry. So, we will go as the market goes for the moment. Hey guys, give me your stocks. Today I'll give more time to seeing your stocks. आज अपने stocks दीजिए उनको ज्यादा देखते हैं normally कम देख पाता हूँ. Okay. ICICI Bank. Asian Paints. Lemon Tree. BJP winning UP is factored in the price. So in case BJP doesn't perform well for any reasons, that would be negative for the market. BJP winning in UP is, already factored in the chart. All three, Maruti. Chanchal says FII sold yesterday also. Yeah, they're continuously selling. Indian public has bought 25% now, which is one of the big chunk now. Maruti. Coal India. KRBL. Laurel Labs. Sun Pharma. Tata. Wow. I'll start with this. Take more if the time permits. So, ICICI Bank, if you see here, let's not see it on a daily chart. I would prefer to see it on a 60-minute chart on a Bollinger. Let's add a Bollinger here. A very important and a powerful tool for trading, especially to know what levels it can go to and where is it now. If you look at ICICI Bank is right on the upper part of the Bollinger. So this would be an opportunity to go short. And those who bought at 16,500 must be making good profit. Yeah, we bought a lot of our portfolio at 16,700. I bought for about, I think, 12 lakh rupees. 15,700, not 16,700. Now, look at Asian Paints, another stock that has rallied up, closing above the Bollinger. So anyone that is closing above the Bollinger becomes a candidate for a short trade. It was up almost by 5% yesterday. Lemon Tree. Lemon Tree is in an uptrend and it has taken a breakout here. I will not short this one. I will not short this one. is on a very clear breakout for the moment, but this candle yesterday was a price rejection candle, but there are better ones that we have seen. I would not suggest. Look at power grid. Power grid is it was weak, and power grid has made a flag pattern. It is a continuation pattern, and power grid will continue to move down. So there is a short trade in power grid. Maruti has again, after a significant downside for many days, from 8,600 to 7,000, Maruti is touching the upper part of the Bollinger. So this one will again also be a candidate for a short trade. But when you are looking for a short trade, I would suggest you use the Yogeshwar Express, the first 5 minute candle Yogeshwar Express. That is the one you should be using. Reliance, after the downside, Reliance moving up. Reliance I'll not short till I have a very clear signal, because Reliance is normally a market mover. So the market has to be held, it has to be taken up. This is the stock जो इस्तेमाल किया जाता है, तो इसमें I think you can go more with the flow. Look at it went from 2,200 to 2,350 in a single day yesterday. Z Limited, again volatile, broken above this level, and it is filling this gap here. So once gap filling happens, this is again a candidate for short. Coal India has already started coming down, and this is not a fundamentally great company, Coal India. So, short would be a trade in Coal India, basically. KRBL, another stock, so which was consolidating for almost 10 days, has rallied up, and it has a gap filling at 229. So if there is a operator behind it, he might take it all the way till 229 rupees levels here. Laurus Lab, this is a good trade. It's almost a picture perfect double top. ये double top है. And today with a gap up, if it opens around 563, 563 would be a good level to short Laurus Lab. In fact, that's a trade you can put into the system straight away. So, because in a pre-market, you can put it into the system if you want, where you can say, okay, let's say I want to short 200 Laurus Lab, and I want to short it only at a price of 563. So you can put it in the system between 9 and 9.8. If this price comes, it will be automatically shorted. So pre-market is also important market where you can get opportunities on this one. Okay, Nishi say, isn't it triple top? Yes, but it's fine. Double top, triple top in a bearish market are good places to go short. Sun Pharma here. Sun Pharmacy, almost all of the stocks have given a relief rally. So whether it was a relief rally and they go down, or whether it was a bottom that the market has taken, it goes up, only you will get to know about that tomorrow. Aaj nahi, kal. Tomorrow you will get to know about that, because today, after the election results are out and the volatility settles, and tomorrow more or less the market will tell us what is happening. And in Ukraine war live, if you see here, now this is CNBC 18, so let's see here. Now, this is still going on bad. Russia-Ukraine war highlights EU imposes fresh sanctions on Moscow. Putin looks to minimize impact. Biden to send 1.4 billion in aid to Kyiv. This war is getting ugly. Britain plans to supply Ukraine with anti-aircraft missiles. Now, what Putin has said is anybody who supplies Ukraine anything will also become our enemy. Vijay Balaji, what is the significance of using 60-minute charts? 60-minute chart are good charts for knowing the short-term direction of the market. Okay, and now we have started seeing some results. Now, give me a minute. Okay, so if you see here, in UP, the BJP seems to be winning comfortably, 81-34. Congress is wiped. I don't know why they even show them anymore. It is no more a proper party now. In Punjab, BJP 2, Congress 4, and where is AAP here? Is AAP also here? This should be 11. Goa, not yet. Uttarakhand, BJP 13, Congress 16, so that is tight. And Manipur, BJP 1. So we still see here. And Singapore Nifty 281 points plus. So, great guys, that's from my side today. And intraday club members, we are meeting in the next few minutes, and we'll see how this market comes here. Sumuk Naik order status after hour in cash order report. So, yeah, it is after hour order. Great guys, thank you very much. Have a good day.